today with our customer base to really share what we've been doing, some of the updates for the coming year. And it's a good opportunity to meet our customers, learn what they're doing, what they're up to, as well as them finding from us what we're about to do.
I think it's interesting to meet industry colleagues, to catch up with the guys who we speak to over email from Descartes.
See how they're using the solutions to solve problems in their business, introduce them to some of our partners, and really just sort of enabling that sort of cross-pollination of ideas.
Today they were giving us some information about different channels we can talk with their software.
And of course to listen to some of the speakers as well. There's some interesting topics on the agenda.
Really good opportunities to learn about the trends in the industry and gather knowledge.
Very interesting opening speech from the futurist and future technology.
So many people talk about what's coming in the future, and you talk to their competition and you find it's already happening. So I spoke a little bit about nanotechnology and smart packaging, but the stuff that these people have got to be thinking about if they want still to be here in 5 years' time.
To hear from practitioners about how they're addressing these issues in the marketplace and how they're utilizing Descartes products.
Obviously we're in a period of great change and uncertainty.
I think we're pretty close to being Brexit ready, but I think that also there's a lot of companies out there that aren't at all, and they've been kind of burying their heads in the sand. But the problem is that's not their fault, a lot of it, because there's very little out there, so you have to go out and find it. So coming to events like this is the best way of doing it.
What's going to happen with Brexit, none of us really know, and that brings certainly software opportunities for Descartes, and for consultancy and training companies like ourselves, then certainly it's a time where business is booming.
When it comes to supply chain, it's really all about customer experience. It's all about like the convenience of the customer. So every one of us is a consumer in e-commerce, and we want to exactly know what we buy. We want to probably also have additional services to really provide that streamlined customer experience. You need to have technology in place.
Very interested to hear about CDS and the customs system that's come in, and just how prepared customs and trade is.
There's a lot of change around the world of international trade, and this event really gives people the opportunity to see what's coming up, think about those things and see how we can help them address them.
Our company researches actors that are sanctioned by the US and EU. So I wanted to visit with the Descartes audience about how to most effectively identify and manage this type of risk.
We use Descartes interface to do our customs entries from the rest of the world. If we have a hard Brexit, we will be also using Descartes for our EU customs declarations as well.
We purchase their software, and we're also a service partner of Descartes, so we recommend their software to clients that we work with directly.
And we had some really good positive references about the software, about the team, and I'm really pleased to say that since we've started working with them, we found all of those things to be true. They've delivered us a great product, we've delivered it on time, and a lot of my staff that use the system are very pleased with it.
They talk the same language as us, basically. They're sort of like we're trying to help the end customer, and they come back with a nice easy email or a nice easy response.
We enable growth. We help them to reduce efforts, increase productivity, increase accuracy. So all that stuff, providing an extraordinary customer experience.
As the world starts to move towards much more of an artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and the cloud computing, those are all the areas that we're looking to say, how do we take that in to help organizations address the challenges that exist today?
And I think that's probably the most exciting thing of how we can deliver solutions to our customers to help them meet those challenges.